comes with the 3-inch saw, so like saw haul, so like you don't have to buy it. It comes with it already.
Okay.
So you put the drill side to the side that has the grooves over here. Line it up. And get your drill. Tying it, and then you want to have it at least 3 inches from the bottom. Right there.
For reference, these are the instructions.
Like this. Boom. And then tying it right there. There you go. Okay, so it seems a little tight in here, so if anything, you can get a 5-gallon bucket instead. But we're gonna try this and see if it works. You can see they can peck at the food, and as they're eating it, it refill itself. This way, the food doesn't get wet either when it's raining, so you can cover it up.
We made the cut too low, so we're probably going to get a little platform to stick this on so they can reach it. Otherwise, like you can see here, they gotta bend their necks to get it. That's not gonna work.
Yeah, I think we have to get 5-gallon buckets instead.
Yeah.